Good morning, Martina here. Thanks for checking in. This is my second video for today. I showed you my loaf earlier today, and now I'm switching everything around and show you the total opposite. I'm gonna tell you how I make my dishwasher detergent. I don't know, for people who know me, they know I do make a lot of products from the house. I make them myself. For instance, detergents, laundry detergent, dishwasher detergent, my body lotions. I used to make my hair products myself, but now with my gray hair, it doesn't cut it quite anymore. So I found some really amazing products there, which I buy. And but today it's my dishwasher detergent. I make it about 3 times a year. I make a big batch, and it takes me 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. It goes super easy, and I have to remind you, a dishwasher is not a miracle worker. It is a tool for you. So if you let your dishes sit in the sink and dry out, for instance, oatmeal or cereal, that it's all crusted, it will not get clean. You have to soak it first, right? But for everything else, regular dishes, it works fantastic, and I love it. I use it for probably at least 5 years, and I will never buy all those chemical stinky stuff. I try to be cautious what I put on my body, and hopefully mostly what I put in my body. You can't be 100% perfect, but you can try the best you can whenever you can. And making my own detergent is one thing I can do and feel good about it. So it's not the laundry detergent today, it's the dishwasher detergent. I always make a big batch, and it goes in a container, and I only use one of those, those old scoops you get when you buy your protein powder. I use one scoop and split it up into the 2 compartments. I add just plain old-fashioned white vinegar into the little, I don't know what it is, rinse cycle, or that extra little where you put jet dry in normally. So I use vinegar for that, and it works great. So I just gonna start my video and explain to you what I am doing here. I have a designated machine where I don't use that for cooking. I only use it for my potions and my detergents and all that. I would suggest you using a mask because it can get really dusty. Not so much with this one, especially with the laundry detergent, which I show you another time. So I have the mask on, I have some gloves on, my hands are quite sensitive, and I'm just gonna dump all the ingredients. You don't need many, and I did about 2 or 3 batches that day. So this is one batch, and the first I have here washing soda. You can buy that in any, I know Superstore has it, and Save on Food has it, those typical. I'm not sure about Walmart, but it's easy to find. It's not very expensive, and I use for this batch 2 cups. Put it in my old food processor. I do live in a place where I have, our place it has a well, and it has a septic tank, and it doesn't interfere with it. All these years I don't have a problem because I use my own detergents. Some people are kind of worried about things, and so it works really well. Then I use borax, 2 cups. I put that in. Epsom salt. You can find that in any store too. It's not expensive. For my, when I do dishes in the sink, I have a designated bottle where I just put half to 3/4 of Bronner's soap. I'm gonna show you the container in just a sec. I grabbed. So this is the Bronner soap I get. I'm not sure if you can see that with the light, with the glare. I'm sure you know I buy it in bulk and it lasts me a long time. I do use it a lot. So I use that in my bottle and add some water to it, and that works great just on regular dishes in the sink. And I don't have to worry about all that nasty stuff. So here I use citric acid. I bought this online. You can buy it online, Amazon, maybe I put a link from Amazon underneath. And that's, how many? 1 cup of Epsom salt, I didn't say that, and 1 cup of citric acid, and 1/2 cup of baking soda, plain old baking soda. And I give it all a good mix, and that's it. How easy is that? And you don't have to worry, you can feel good about it. So it will get a little bit dusty here. And as I said, I use one of those cups. And my dishwasher detergent is done. So I hope you like this recipe. I really encourage you to try to make a few changes. Sometimes they're not so easy to do, but sometimes they're really easy to do, and this is a very easy to do change. We are so bombarded with the modern way of living, which is not always a good way. And it really pays well if we try to make small changes. Because the small change gets the normal, and then you can make another change and another change. So I hope this helps. I hope you like it. Please put your thumb up and like my video. You can share it. I would really love that too. Make some comments, have a question. I will answer it for you. And I'm gonna see you next week again. Monday, right? I promise. I really try to do that every Monday. Right now in the winter time it is easier for me. In the summertime I probably can't make it. I'm gonna talk to you next week again. Excuse me. And until then, I'm gonna see you. Have a great week. Take care of yourself and cheers.